Today we bow our hat in deep reverence to the valiant souls who made the ultimate sacrifice in service of our people and our principles. To pay homage to the noble heroes, I invite two Dr. Mangcha Touthang, a SIM speaker who KIMegh to deliver the tribute.
My solemn greetings to each and everyone gathered here on this historic event, Tibai. 2 years ago, on this day, the unrelenting government and the majoritarian radical Meiteis, fueled by vile, animalistic hatred, started their ethnic cleansing program against us, with the sole purpose of sweeping us into oblivion like dust and leaves. 227 recorded deaths, 7,000 plus houses burned, more than 200 villages gutted to the ground, 41,425 plus persons displaced and uprooted, 330 plus churches and synagogues razed to the ground. Some of us fell on the way to our ancestral land, some while defending it. We call you our fallen heroes. We call you our martyrs. Yet, sometimes, I feel these words don't do justice to their sacrifices. Today, I stand here not just to mourn the lives lost, but to pay utmost reverence and pride to the sacrifices our mothers made to the cause of our ancestral land. With trembling knees and a shaking voice, feeling humble and insignificant, I offer these attributes. 2 years have passed. They remain our heroes. 2 decades will pass. 2 generations will pass. And on to eternity, they will always remain our heroes. The blood and the life they gave for our cause is priceless. The dust where they lie is enriched and will forever be sacred. On the last green hillocks of our God-given land, under the dew, the rain, the sun, and the celestial stars, their mortar remains lie calm and cold. Yet, in our hearts, they will forever be our fallen brothers and sisters, our fallen heroes. Their blood, their names shall be etched in golden letters and kept frozen in the pages and the annals of our history. In death and life, we are one nation under the sun, destined by God. The dust where our martyrs' blood were spilled will be defended with the last drop of our blood and the last breath we take. This land shall forever be our ancestral land. So long there is fallen heroes. Until the freedom bells ring for us and beyond, I bow to thee and thy soul in reverence. We sincerely appreciate and love you all. Please allow me to quote one Caesar Chavez, who said, "We don't know how God chooses martyrs. We do know that they give us the most precious gift they possess, their very lives." O the Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth and the universe, would thou not ring the freedom bell for us? Bon charin khát về là tiếng kinh. Ukizo cha te ki sam long kai ti thon lo ni thum dei sam te ku ki zo cha te ki san long ku ki zo cha te ki san long ku ki zo cha te ki san long reading pepe utin. The first step on the mic will mark the commencement of our utmost respect and reverence for our fallen heroes, and then the second step shall be the conclusion of our respect to them. So we remain silent for 2 minutes. Thank you. I wish you all a blessed day. Kakipai.